You're an innovative reseller who knows that being a thought leader gives you an edge over your competition. To stay ahead of the technology curve, you need to introduce innovative solutions to your clients. Big Switch was named a visionary in the most recent Gartner Magic Quadrant for data center networking for its innovative SDN software. Your clients have a demanding job running their enterprise network. They need to deploy more and more apps in minutes. But that means lots of time in the command line on a legacy box-by-box network that's painful to operate. As they add more servers and switches, all that manual configuration takes days. And those software upgrades? They can take up all their nights and weekends. What if there's a problem? It's even more command line hunting, from box to box to box. What if you could sell them an off-the-shelf solution that gives them an order of magnitude improvement in network efficiency? How about a next-generation data center network that supports all their workloads, physical, VM, and container, yet is simple to operate, highly automated, provides deep visibility, and doesn't blow up their budget? Well, that's what you get with the Big Cloud Fabric from Big Switch. Some hyperscale-inspired magic in a bottle you can use to differentiate your offerings and drive significant services and margin. When you lead with Big Switch on Dell EMC or HPE hardware, our partners win against Cisco ACI over 80% of the time. Big Cloud Fabric delivers next-generation data center switching that's intelligent, agile, and flexible, giving your customers all the features they'll need to deploy, operate, and scale out at the speed their business demands. BCF is powered by an SDN controller to build a leaf-spine fabric using open networking switches like these. Unlike box-by-box networks, the BCF controller is a single pane of glass and operates the entire fabric as one logical switch. It's completely zero-touch. Even software upgrades for a BCF fabric of over 100 switches take only minutes. Deploy BCF pod by pod and easily connect to your existing data center network. You can even extend your tenants and apps across pods and across data centers. Change management is simple. Connect more servers, deploy more switches. They're automatically recognized by the BCF controller. No configuration required. Now you can scale your BCF pod at will, from one rack to tens of racks. BCF's modern, intuitive GUI and industry-standard CLI are both built on RESTful APIs, so DevOps teams can join the party too. Troubleshooting is a breeze. You can trace traffic flows across an entire fabric, and with Fabric Analytics, network visibility is at your fingertips. With Big Switch's Big Cloud Fabric, those box-to-box nights and weekends are over. There are lots of ways you can use BCF, resilient and scalable networking for VMware, OpenStack, and NFV. Or build your own high-performance pod for big data, VDI, or storage. BCF even has plugins to automate container networking. Let's explore how BCF enhances your VMware deployments in a software-defined data center. Adding a new ESXi host? Ports on the leaf switch are automatically configured. Deploying an app VM in a port group? A Layer 2 segment in the fabric is automatically configured. vMotioning a VM to another host? BCF automatically configures the destination switch and tells you what moved when and where. Deploying an NSX for micro-segmentation? You can visualize NSX attributes in BCF and trace traffic flows across the fabric. No more overlay-underlay visibility gap. Ready for hyper-converged storage with vSAN? BCF automates your vSAN transport network. Just click one button to enable it fabric-wide. Boom! Hyper-converge enabled. Even VM admins can see your fabric's logs right in vRealize and can do VM to VM flow tracing directly in vCenter with the BCF plugin. Troubleshooting is faster and easier for everyone. Help your customers break free from that complicated, time-consuming, and expensive box-by-box traditional network management approach. With Big Cloud Fabric in your portfolio, you'll be selling hyperscale-inspired innovation and winning more new business against your competition. Contact the Big Switch channel team to learn how to partner with us at bigswitch.com/resellers.